On January 20, 2025, China unveiled its ambitious new AI Industry Development Action Plan, committing to invest 1 trillion yuan, around $137 billion over the next 5 years to enhance its artificial intelligence AI sector. This monumental initiative is part of China's broader strategy to solidify its position as a global leader in AI technologies, with particular emphasis on sectors such as AI-driven robotics, biomanufacturing, advanced materials, and the rapidly evolving low-altitude economy, which encompasses drone technology and vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) vehicles. Investment, which is intended to stimulate AI ventures and support emerging technologies that have the potential to revolutionize various industries. Key focus areas. The new AI Industry Development Action Plan identifies several critical areas for investment and development. 1. AI-driven robotics. The integration of AI into robotics is expected to revolutionize manufacturing processes and lead to the development of innovative consumer products. This focus aligns with global trends where automation and AI are increasingly being utilized to enhance efficiency and productivity. 2. Biomanufacturing. The plan aims to leverage AI to optimize production techniques within the biotechnology sector, potentially leading to breakthroughs in healthcare and pharmaceuticals. 3. Advanced materials. Investment in the creation of new materials that improve performance and sustainability is a priority. This could lead to significant advancements in various industries, including construction, transportation, and consumer goods. For low-altitude economy, the plan highlights the importance of advancing drone technologies and urban air mobility solutions. The low-altitude economy is projected to become a major sector in China, with expectations of reaching a market size of 1 trillion yuan by 2025. This encompasses not only drones for delivery and logistics but also air taxis and other innovative transport solutions. Technological advancements. China's commitment to fostering a leading position in AI is backed by rapid technological advancements and robust policy support. A notable example is the successful maiden flight of EHang's EH216S eVTOL in Shanghai on January 25, 2025. This event marked a significant milestone in urban air mobility, showcasing the capabilities of autonomous flying vehicles and their potential to transform transportation in densely populated areas. The flight is seen as a precursor to the anticipated commercialization of air taxi services in Shanghai, aligning perfectly with the goals outlined in the action plan. Diverse perspectives on the plan. Different sources have provided varying perspectives on the implications of the new AI Industry Development Action Plan. Some emphasize the government's strong investment in the AI ecosystem as a means to drive economic growth and innovation. Others highlight the broader context, particularly the significance of the low-altitude economy and its expected market size, which could exceed 3 trillion yuan by 2030. Conversely, some commentators express a more critical view, arguing that China's AI strategy is not solely focused on generative AI but also on transforming physical realities through advancements in robotics. This perspective suggests a holistic approach to AI development, where the technology is seen as a means to alter everyday life and enhance human capabilities. Timeline of key events. January 20, 2025, the Chinese government announces the 1 trillion yuan action plan, marking a pivotal moment in the country's AI strategy. January 25, 2025, EHang's EH216S conducts its inaugural flight in Shanghai, representing a significant step towards the realization of urban air mobility. Prior to January 2025, the establishment of an $8 billion fund in Shanghai sets the stage for the comprehensive action plan, indicating a clear governmental commitment to AI development. Conclusion. The new AI Industry Development Action Plan illustrates China's strategic vision to dominate the artificial intelligence landscape and related technological fields. By investing heavily in various sectors, particularly robotics and low-altitude technologies, the country aims to harness AI's transformative potential and establish itself as a global hub for technological innovation. The integration of government support with private sector initiatives alongside ambitious market growth projections creates a robust framework for advancing a thriving AI ecosystem in the years to come. As China continues to push the boundaries of AI and robotics, the global implications of this action plan will undoubtedly shape the future of technology and economic development worldwide. China's new AI Industry Development Action Plan is indeed a significant move towards enhancing its artificial intelligence capabilities with an investment of 1 trillion yuan, approximately $137 billion over 5 years. This ambitious initiative is not just about funding but also reflects a broader strategy to redefine technological landscapes through AI, robotics, biomanufacturing, advanced materials, and the low-altitude economy. One counterintuitive aspect of this plan is the emphasis on AI in the context of physical transformation rather than just digital or computational advancements. While many global narratives surrounding AI focus on software developments, such as generative AI and its applications in fields like marketing and content creation, China's approach is deeply rooted in altering physical realities. This includes the integration of AI with robotics to revolutionize manufacturing and consumer products, which could reshape industry standards and operational efficiencies. Moreover, the focus on the low-altitude economy, particularly drones and urban air mobility (eVTOLs), presents a striking contrast to traditional views of AI as primarily a virtual technology. The rapid growth projected for this sector, expected to reach a market size of 1 trillion yuan by 2025, indicates a strategic pivot towards tangible applications that enhance logistics, transportation, and urban infrastructure. This is particularly noteworthy given that many in the West are still grappling with the ethical and regulatory implications of AI technologies. China's swift and decisive investment in physical applications of AI could place it ahead in practical implementations. Another interesting angle is the relationship between government and private sector initiatives. The action plan indicates a collaborative ecosystem where government policies and funding are designed to support and catalyze private innovations. This could lead to an accelerated pace of development in AI applications that might overshadow similar efforts in other countries where private sector advancements may not receive the same level of governmental support or alignment. Furthermore, the simultaneous announcement of an $8 billion fund in Shanghai prior to the larger action plan suggests a tiered approach to investment, wherein smaller initiatives are used to build momentum towards larger strategic goals. This layered funding strategy might seem counterintuitive, as one might expect a single large initiative to come before smaller ones. However, it highlights a nuanced understanding of how innovation ecosystems develop, starting with smaller projects that can be scaled and integrated into broader frameworks. The projected growth of specific sectors such as biomanufacturing and advanced materials also raises questions about the future landscape of global competition in these fields. China's clear prioritization of these areas indicates a long-term vision that could yield competitive advantages in industries that are critical for sustainability and technological advancement. Lastly, the fact that China is positioning itself as a potential leader in the AI-driven transformation of physical sectors while many Western nations remain focused on AI in data and software, could lead to a significant shift in global technological leadership. This perspective challenges the traditional notions of what constitutes AI leadership and suggests that true innovation may well lie in the ability to integrate AI into the fabric of everyday physical systems and infrastructures. In summary, China's new AI Industry Development Action Plan is not just a financial commitment, it represents a comprehensive strategy that emphasizes physical transformation, collaborative innovation, and a vision for future technological leadership that diverges from prevailing Western narratives about AI. This multifaceted approach, with its focus on practical applications and supportive infrastructure, may position China at the forefront of the next wave of technological advancements. The new AI Industry Development Action Plan announced by China, which allocates 1 trillion yuan, approximately $137 billion over the next 5 years, is a pivotal policy initiative that underscores China's ambition to dominate the global AI landscape. While the headline figures and broad areas of investment have garnered attention, several nuanced aspects of the report merit deeper examination. Here are some important content elements that many may overlook along with their significance. 1. Integration of AI with physical reality. One of the most noteworthy and often understated elements of the action plan is its emphasis on not only generative AI but also on transforming physical realities through robotics and AI-driven technologies. This perspective highlights a paradigm shift in how China views AI, less as a purely digital technology and more as a tool for enhancing and revolutionizing physical processes. This approach is significant because it suggests that China is positioning itself to lead in the next generation of industrial and consumer applications, which may fundamentally change sectors like manufacturing, transportation, and healthcare. 2. Low-altitude economy and urban air mobility. The low-altitude economy is projected to achieve a market size of 1 trillion yuan by 2025. This sector, which includes drone technologies and urban air mobility solutions such as eVTOL electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, has been gaining traction but is often overshadowed by discussions on broader AI applications. The significance of this focus lies in its potential to revolutionize urban transport, logistics, and emergency services, which could lead to significant improvements in efficiency and sustainability. Furthermore, China's proactive approach in this sector positions it to capitalize on the anticipated global demand for drone and air mobility solutions, potentially establishing it as a leader in this niche market. 3. Government and business collaboration. The action plan emphasizes a collaborative approach between the government and private enterprises. This dual strategy is crucial for fostering innovation and facilitating rapid advancements in technology. The proactive role of the Chinese government in providing funding and policy support, coupled with the agility of private companies to innovate and implement new technologies, creates a robust ecosystem conducive to rapid development. This collaboration could serve as a model for other nations aiming to enhance their own AI industries, illustrating how a synergistic relationship can yield significant technological advancements. 4. Market projections and economic implications. While the investment figure of 1 trillion yuan is striking, the implications of projected market growth across various sectors are equally important. The anticipated growth in the low-altitude economy and AI-driven sectors indicates not just a surge in technological capabilities but also the potential for job creation, economic revitalization, and increased global competitiveness. The report hints at how these investments could yield significant returns both in terms of economic output and in establishing China as a hub for innovation. Understanding these projections can help stakeholders, from investors to policymakers, make informed decisions about where to allocate resources and focus efforts. 5. Holistic policy framework. The action plan is not merely about funding but is part of a broader holistic policy framework aiming to integrate AI across various industries. This comprehensive approach includes setting standards, regulations, and governance structures that can support sustainable growth in AI technologies. By establishing a clear regulatory environment, China aims to mitigate risks associated with rapid technological adoption, such as ethical concerns, data privacy issues, and safety regulations, ensuring that advancements benefit society at large. 6. Technological sovereignty. China's robust investment in AI technologies can also be viewed through the lens of technological sovereignty. In an era where global supply chains are increasingly disrupted and geopolitical tensions are rising, China's action plan demonstrates a strategic move to reduce dependency on foreign technologies. By fostering a self-sufficient AI ecosystem, China aims to secure its technological future, which is especially pertinent in sensitive sectors like defense, telecommunications, and critical infrastructure. 7. International implications. The action plan is likely to have far-reaching international implications, particularly concerning global competition in technology. As China ramps up its investment in AI and related technologies, it may shift the balance of technological power, prompting responses from other countries. especially the United States and European nations. This dynamic could lead to increased competition in AI research, talent acquisition, and innovation, reshaping the global tech landscape. Conclusion: the new AI Industry Development Action Plan represents more than just a financial commitment. It is a strategic initiative that could fundamentally alter the trajectory of China's technological landscape and its position in the global economy. Recognizing the importance of the integration of AI with real-world applications, the burgeoning low-altitude economy, collaborative governance, and the implications for technological sovereignty can provide a more nuanced understanding of the significance of this action plan. As China's AI ambitions unfold, the global community must stay attuned to these developments, as they will likely influence technological trends, economic policies, and international relations in the years to come. Here are the 4 most valuable points for in-depth analysis and discussion regarding China's new AI Industry Development Action Plan. 1. Substantial financial commitment to AI development. The Chinese government's commitment of 1 trillion yuan, about $137 billion over 5 years, underscores its strategic intent to become a global leader in AI technologies. This significant investment is not just a financial maneuver, it represents a broader vision of integrating AI across various sectors of the economy. The planned funding is expected to catalyze innovation, support startups, and attract foreign investment, positioning China as a central hub for AI development. 2. Diverse focus areas. The action plan prioritizes a range of sectors, particularly AI-driven robotics. This highlights the government's ambition to enhance manufacturing processes and consumer products through intelligent automation. Biomanufacturing. The application of AI in biotechnology aims to improve production efficiency and innovation in health-related sectors. Advanced materials. Investment in materials science is crucial for developing sustainable and high-performance products. Low-altitude economy. This sector, which includes drone technology and urban air mobility, indicates China's intent to lead in the next wave of transportation innovation, potentially revolutionizing logistics and urban planning. The projected market size of 1 trillion yuan by 2025 in this sector exemplifies the economic potential and strategic importance assigned to these technologies. 3. Technological advancements and policy support. The rapid technological advancements in AI and related fields, coupled with robust policy backing, create a conducive environment for innovation. The successful test flights of autonomous vehicles such as EHang's EH216S in Shanghai illustrate the tangible outcomes of these investments. The government's role in facilitating infrastructure development and providing regulatory support is critical for fostering a thriving ecosystem where AI technologies can flourish. 4. Implications for global competition and collaboration. China's aggressive push in AI development has far-reaching implications for global technology competition. As China seeks to dominate in key areas such as AI-driven robotics and the low-altitude economy, it could reshape global supply chains and technological standards. This strategic initiative may lead to increased collaborations between Chinese firms and international tech companies, as well as heightened scrutiny and competitive responses from other nations, particularly the United States, which has historically been a leader in AI research and development. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for stakeholders involved in the global technology landscape. In conclusion, the new AI Industry Development Action Plan not only marks a significant investment in China's technological future but also reflects a strategic approach to harness AI's transformative potential across various sectors. The implications of this initiative extend beyond China's borders, influencing global dynamics in technology, economics, and international relations. 1. The Marshall Plan 1948–1952. Officially known as the European Recovery Program, the Marshall Plan was an American initiative to aid Western Europe after World War II. The United States provided over $12 billion, approximately $100 billion today, in economic assistance to help rebuild European economies. This plan aimed to prevent the spread of Soviet communism by stabilizing the economies of Western European countries, fostering political stability and promoting economic cooperation. The Marshall Plan is often credited with revitalizing the European economy and laying the groundwork for modern European integration. 2. The New Deal 1933 to 1939. The New Deal was a series of programs. Public work projects, financial reforms and regulations enacted in the United States during the Great Depression. Initiated by President Franklin D. Roosevelt, the New Deal aimed to provide immediate economic relief, recovery, and reform to alleviate the struggles of Americans. The plan included the establishment of various agencies and initiatives such as the Civilian Conservation Corps (CCC) and the Works Progress Administration (WPA), which created millions of jobs and significantly contributed to the country's infrastructure development. The New Deal reshaped the American government's role in the economy and provided a model for future economic intervention policies. 3. Japan's post-war economic miracle 1950s to 1970s. After World War II, Japan experienced a rapid period of economic growth, often referred to as the Japanese economic miracle. This transformation was largely facilitated by U.S. financial aid, the Korean War boom, and the implementation of a series of industrial policies. The Japanese government worked closely with industries to promote technology transfer, investment in key sectors like electronics and automobiles, and the establishment of export-oriented economic practices. By the 1970s, Japan emerged as one of the world's leading economies, known for its innovation and production capabilities, effectively turning the nation from devastation to a major global power. The future outlook for China's AI industry, powered by the recently announced new AI Industry Development Action Plan, promises significant advancements and transformations across various sectors. With a commitment of 1 trillion yuan, approximately $137 billion over the next 5 years, the implications of this initiative are profound. Not only for China but for the global AI landscape. Economic impact. 1. Investment surge. The infusion of 1 trillion yuan into the AI sector is set to stimulate economic growth. This funding will likely lead to the establishment of numerous AI startups, fostering innovation and creating jobs. The expected growth of the low-altitude economy alone, projected to reach 1 trillion yuan by 2025, indicates a burgeoning market that will benefit from this investment. 2. Collaboration between sectors. The action plan emphasizes a collaborative approach between the government and private enterprises. This synergy will likely accelerate the development of AI technologies, as businesses will receive the necessary support to innovate while aligning with national objectives. Technological advancements. 1. AI-driven robotics. The focus on AI-driven robotics suggests a future where automation becomes ubiquitous in manufacturing and services. This could lead to enhanced productivity and lower costs in various industries. As companies leverage AI for process optimization and production efficiency, we may witness the rise of smart factories and supply chains. 2. Biomanufacturing innovations. With AI's application in biomanufacturing, we can anticipate breakthroughs in pharmaceuticals, materials science, and food production. The integration of AI in these fields may lead to more sustainable practices, reduced waste, and improved product quality. 3. Low-altitude economy. The burgeoning low-altitude economy, particularly in drone technologies and urban air mobility, is poised for rapid expansion. Companies like EHang are already making strides in this area, indicating that by 2030, the sector could surpass 3 trillion yuan. This growth will fundamentally alter logistics, transportation, and urban planning. Social and regulatory developments. 1. Regulatory framework. As the AI industry flourishes, the establishment of a comprehensive regulatory framework will be crucial. The planned rollout of standards and regulations governing air traffic and low-altitude operations will ensure safety and efficiency, fostering public confidence in these technologies. 2. Public acceptance and ethical considerations. The widespread adoption of AI technologies will necessitate public discourse around ethical implications, privacy concerns, and the social impact of automation. Addressing these issues proactively will be essential for ensuring societal acceptance of AI solutions. Global competitive landscape. 1. China's position in global AI. With such significant investment and a strategic focus on diverse AI applications, China is positioning itself as a leader in the global AI race. This may lead to increased competition with other nations, particularly the United States and European countries, as they strive to maintain their own technological superiority. 2. International collaboration intentions. While China's advancements may prompt collaborations in certain areas, they could also lead to geopolitical tensions, especially in sectors like AI-driven defense technologies and surveillance systems. The global community will need to navigate these complexities diplomatically. Future workforce dynamics. 1. Skills development. The transformation of industries through AI will require a workforce equipped with new skills. Educational institutions and training programs will need to adapt to prepare individuals for roles that involve AI technologies, robotics, and data analytics. 2. Job displacement versus job creation. While the rise of AI may lead to job displacement in certain sectors, it will also create new opportunities that did not previously exist. The challenge will be to balance these dynamics to ensure a smooth transition for the workforce. Conclusion. The new AI Industry Development Action Plan represents a significant leap forward for China's AI ambitions, fostering an environment ripe for innovation and economic growth. The future will likely see profound changes across industries driven by technological advancements and strategic investments. However, the success of this initiative will depend on effective collaboration between the government, businesses, and society, as well as the establishment of a robust regulatory framework to guide the ethical and responsible development of AI technologies. In summary, China's commitment to becoming a global AI leader is poised to reshape the technological landscape with far-reaching implications for its economy, workforce, and role on the world stage. The next 5 years will be critical in determining how these ambitious plans materialize and influence the broader global AI ecosystem.